Hey guys, back at the restore. This Emerson hugger came in today, and it looks like it was made by Aircool. I was surprised that it was Emerson. It just looked like a generic hugger, but the motor in it's pretty substantial. This Westinghouse swirl came in today, and show you what's in back. There's nothing interesting back here that I've seen. Turn of the century, generic hugger, generic close mount. That's a U42 in there. One of those, one of those, one of those, another generic hugger. Another buildery thing and Walmarty thing. So nothing exciting back here. Encon's still here. CEC or Air, no, CEC Aircool still here. Grant put out this Heritage today. I would have scrapped it, but he invested some time in it. SMC is still here. These are still here. Grant put this nice footprint vent out today. I kind of like that. Anything on the other side of the blades? No. Encon Casanova is still here. Not much is sold. We were closed for a day and a half this week because of the bitter cold. So Sonic is still here. I can't remember what was here earlier this week. This is the only fan that sold, was the one that was right there. And I don't remember what it was. Grant put that Hunter out. Emerson's still here. These are all still here. Yeah, like I said, in the literally only half a day that we were open this week besides the Tuesday that I was here. The Thursday afternoon was the only day that we were open besides Tuesday and today, both of which I've been here for. And so that one fan must have sold Thursday afternoon, but I don't remember what it was. Everything else is still here. So, okay, well, thanks for watching.